So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into your bank account here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the main screen here, then go to the cash out icon. So go to the middle bottom right and press cash out. Now, since I'm here in Canada, there actually isn't an option for me to cash out directly to my bank account. But if you're in another country, so the United States, for example, I believe you have this feature. So where it says for me, PayPal, Stake, Google Play, etc., there should be an option that says bank account. So I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now of what exactly that looks like. And once you're there, simply go ahead and select on it. So for example, if I were to go to the stake account right here, you can go ahead and select your option. But let's just say, for example, you have this option right here where you can type in your bank account information and then press withdraw. So once again, it's not available for me here in Canada, unfortunately, but if you're in the United States, for example, I do believe you have this option to go directly to your bank account. So press the option and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money to your bank account here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.